What is software? Explained in simple words. What does software mean? Software is a set of instructions or programs that tell a computer how to perform tasks. In simple words, software equals programs that make computers work. It means software controls computer hardware, performs tasks for users, can be installed, updated, or removed, makes computers useful. So, hardware equals physical parts of a computer. Software equals programs that run on hardware. Example idea. Imagine you have a computer. Hardware: CPU, monitor, keyboard. Software: operating system, Windows, Linux. Applications: Microsoft Word, Chrome. Games. Without software, hardware is just useless parts. Why it matters. Without software, crossmark computers can't perform tasks. Crossmark you can't browse the internet, play games, or use apps. Crossmark hardware is wasted. With software, checkmark computers perform useful tasks. Checkmark users can interact with hardware easily. Checkmark automates work and increases productivity. Types of software. 1. System software. Helps hardware and applications work together. Examples: operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, Linux. Device drivers, utility programs. 2. Application software. Helps users perform tasks. Examples: word processors, Microsoft Word, web browsers, Chrome, Firefox. Games: Minecraft, Fortnite. Mobile apps. 3. Programming software. Helps developers create programs. Examples: compilers, interpreters, IDEs, Visual Studio, PyCharm. How software works. Step by step. User requests task means software receives input means processes task means gives output. Flow. Input means processing means output. Example: open a browser means type URL means software fetches page means page displayed. Features of software. Runs on computers and devices. Performs tasks automatically. Can be updated or improved. Can be installed, uninstalled. Provides interface for user interaction. Advantages of software. Checkmark makes computers useful. Checkmark automates repetitive tasks. Checkmark improves productivity. Checkmark enables communication, email, chat. Checkmark supports learning, gaming, entertainment. Disadvantages of software. Crossmark can have bugs or errors. Crossmark needs updates to fix issues. Crossmark can be expensive for some applications. Crossmark can slow down computers if poorly designed. Comparison with hardware. Feature: hardware software. Physical yes number. Function performs tasks with software instructs hardware what to do. Durability can wear out doesn't wear, but can be outdated. Examples: CPU, keyboard, monitor, word processor. Games, OS. So, hardware equals physical tools. Software equals instructions for the tools. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often confuse hardware with software. Think software is only apps. Ignoring system software. Assume software is physical. Forget that software requires hardware to run. Real-life analogy. Software is like recipes in a kitchen. Cooking. Kitchen equals hardware. Recipe equals software. Cooking equals task performed by software instructions. Without recipes, the kitchen can't make dishes. Important point. Software enables hardware to perform useful tasks. Can be system, application, or programming. Software is essential for modern life and computing. Without software, crossmark computers are useless. With software, checkmark computers are productive, interactive, and functional. Simple definition. Software equals programs or instructions that tell a computer how to perform tasks. Final summary. Checkmark software makes hardware useful. Checkmark types: system software, application software, programming software. Checkmark enables automation, communication, and entertainment. Checkmark can have bugs, requires updates. Checkmark essential for computers and devices. Without software, crossmark computers cannot function. With software, checkmark computers run applications, process data, and perform tasks efficiently.